Welcome. You are listening to Management Radio, the voice of management in social media. Management-radio.com. Enjoy.
Management Radio. Management on demand. Enjoy.
It's character that creates impact. That's the slogan of Roland Berger Strategy Consultants, and it also happens to describe the story behind the company quite well. What began as a one-man show in 1967 in Munich, Germany, has today become a global strategy consultancy with more than 2,500 employees and 47 offices in 35 countries. Our guest is Dr. Martin Wittig, CEO of Roland Berger Strategy Consultants. Martin, welcome.
Thank you very much. I'm happy to be here.
Now, Doctor, tell us a bit about Roland Berger. What do you do and who are your clients?
Yeah, Roland Berger Strategy Consultants is, as the word says, a global strategy consulting company. We consult entrepreneurs, big corporates, NGOs, and sometimes even governments on strategic issues globally.
Well, in recent years, you've been publishing economic forecasts in the U.S. and Europe, and you've been proven correct in your optimistic predictions of growth. How come?
First of all, we have been optimistic for specific parts of the geography, especially Germany and Central Europe. And I think we know some of the regions better than the consensus of the majority of the forecasts. And we saw that the consensus of the forecast normally is wrong. It was over-optimistic before the crisis and too pessimistic after the crisis. Now we think that many global factors will continue to drive the Central European growth, especially the industrial growth of Germany.
Now, Doctor, what do you think it's going to take for the U.S. economy to continue along a positive economic path?
First of all, we are positive for the U.S. We think the U.S. is perfectly prepared for the digital age. Many of the companies dominating this digital age, the Apples, the Googles, and the Facebooks are located in the U.S. The demography of the country is playing in favor. The country has commodities, one of the big needs for an industrial country. And last but not least, it has a strong industrial heritage. And we will see deglobalization. We will see industrial goods produced close to consumer markets. And the U.S. by nature is a large domestic market. So these are the main reasons we are positive for the U.S.
Dr. Wittig, this has been really interesting. Thanks for sharing your thoughts with us today.
The pleasure was with me. Thank you very much.
Visit Roland Berger Strategy Consultants at rolandberger.com. That's spelled ROLANDBERGER.com.
Radio Essential Management Podcast.
Management-radio.com.